Here it is, guys, the Roland Integra 7 supernatural sound module. I'll boot it up. There are a few scuffs along the back line here, the side edge here, I should say. There's another mark here and here, and also here. But on the top, there's a block diagram of the sound library in the studio set, and all of that's visible. There is one little scuff here, but it doesn't interfere with anything that you see there. It's all, I'll take a photo and upload just so you can see those scuff marks, but apart from that, it's perfect. I have it set up with a studio monitor down there, a Roland A49. If you've found this on Gumtree, you probably already know how it works, but it's amazing. There's drums, there's all different sorts of pianos, all different sorts of string instruments. You can make any type of music on this that you want. It's crazy. Default piano, but there's a wheel here, and you can just wheel through all the different types of emulations of sound. It's Jazz number 6, retro phase. You can make guitar sounds even. I don't want to sell it, but it's Christmas time and I need some cash, so $1,200. You can take it with the keyboard as well, and the rocket, the USB cable and the MIDI cable. The full setup for $1,400, or just the Integra 7 is $1,200. I'll take a photo and upload it. Thanks, guys.